All right, big things are about to happen for XRP. And one of the signs that I always see before something major happens is FUD, right? So on the precipice of something massive happening on the XRP ledger, for Ripple, for the XRP community, for RippleNet, whatever it is that's related to Ripple XRP, there's always some kind of FUD that gets released into the system. And I'm seeing more and more of this dumb thing here, right? 62 million XRP offload onto exchanges, sell signal. So basically, this article is some sort of FUD piece, basically claiming that people are about to dump their XRP. First of all, 62 million in the grand scheme of things when it comes to XRP with its humongous market cap, number 3 crypto, is absolutely nothing. That's one, half a day's trading on one exchange or something like this. This is completely insignificant, but it does look large to the retail investor, right? But this is just inflows, right? This has gone to an exchange. For the past few days, XRP, the native token of Ripple Labs. So that phrase alone has completely invalidated this entire article, I'm sorry to say, because XRP is not the native token of Ripple Labs. I mean, it's not even, if they said that the native token of Ripple blockchain or something like that, that's still wrong, but it's not as wrong as saying the native token of Ripple Labs. That's just insane. So that already demonstrates to me that this article is, I don't know if that was maybe chat GPT generated or whatever, because that phrase just invalidates anything else that comes after it. Has been struggling to gain momentum, and data suggests it's likely to continue struggling in the coming days. Well, that's a lie. This negative speculation is based on recent activity of investors and long-term holders amid ongoing market uncertainty. Well, maybe traders, yes, but no long-term hodler or long-term investor is doing anything recently. The XRP army, as far as I can see, is holding strong. The only people that are messing around with XRP are day traders, people on Wall Street that are trying to time the market or swing trade or what have you. And people putting leverage on XRP and stuff, getting liquidated when the price moves, a couple of percentages. Bearish on-chain matrix. Data from the on-chain analytics firm CoinGlass spot inflow-outflow matrix reveal that exchanges have witnessed an XRP inflow of a significant 62 million over the past 48 hours. This substantial inflow of XRP tokens onto the exchanges indicates a potential dump, which may lead to a price decline and increase selling pressure. Now, what I would like to see is a comparison between inflows of XRP in this manner to other cryptos like Solana, Bitcoin, and is it any more significant than any of them? Because again, like he said later on, in addition to the significant inflow, the long-short ratio, which measures trader sentiment, currently stands at 0.92, signaling a bearish outlook as short positions dominate. Okay, so again, he's talking about traders and people who put leverage on XRP. And again, I'd like to see a comparison between people shorting Bitcoin, people shorting Solana, Avalanche, whatever else. And is that more or less than XRP? So that would give a better picture. Is that just a crypto-wide sentiment or an XRP-specific sentiment? The reason why, these XRP articles come out, first of all, is because XRP is forefront in everyone's consciousness at the moment. Also, XRP gets the most views in every department, even more so than Bitcoin. Okay, and then it goes on about some other technical analyses that don't make any sense. But the fact that this person has said, XRP is Ripple Labs' native token, you can throw this article in the bin anyway, right? What's truly happening, though, is behind the scenes, is that Ripple and the SEC are holding the first closed-door meeting, and this is with the acting chair, Mark Uyeda. We know that the SEC is making positive moves already. They've hit the ground running. We have a new sort of crypto czar, you can say, a new segment of the SEC that is more crypto specific. And we know that the new SEC bosses are being more forward thinking, right? They're going to be less regulation by enforcement and actually providing guidelines for companies that want to operate in the whole crypto sphere so that they're compliant with the regulations and the law. And this is actually a big deal because depending on what happens in this meeting, I know that closed door meetings in and themselves happen regularly in things that we don't hear about. That's why they're closed door. But because all eyes are on the SEC, all eyes are on Ripple, and all eyes are on this lawsuit, we might end up today with some kind of settlement. We might hear that the SEC has had a change of heart. We might hear that, they've dropped the case or whatever, or they might set a different date for resolution. Anything can happen today. And if anything positive, anything remotely positive happens, as in settlement / lawsuit dropped, whatever, then we're going to see a positive move for XRP. And if you fall for idiotic articles like this one saying that, oh, people are about to dump, whatever, perhaps these are, traders also preempting something that if something negative were to happen with the SEC, that the price might dump a little bit. Perhaps they want to sell and buy lower. This is what traders do. This has no bearing on the actual value of XRP or the actual real sentiment around XRP. This is a numbers game for traders, and they don't really care about, store of value or the meaning of XRP. They want to make a daily gain, right? They're day traders, right? And they go by algorithm, nothing to do with sentiment, right? So again, industry experts like John Deaton and other professionals have weighed in, and they're calling for the case to be dismissed, especially in light of the shifting political landscape. Some suggest that the settlement between Ripple and the SEC is possible, which could clarify certain issues while leaving others unresolved. As the crypto industry continues to grow, public and private sector pressure may influence the SEC's approach to enforcement-driven regulation. Okay? So, not financial advice, do your own research. Stay away from FUD and fake news. Peace.